So in this video, I'll just be showing us quickly how to add external links to Adobe Illustrator. Funny enough, this was a feature I assumed Illustrator had, because normally I don't do PDFs here. I usually use CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW has had that feature for a while now. So recently I had to do a PDF with Illustrator where I had to add external links, and I discovered that no, they didn't have it, so I had to search. So it's one of the features I saw with what I'll show you here. So, and it was for both like an image link and a text link. So here I'm just going to show a simple link on how to, let's say, go to my Behance page, for example, on Behance. So let's see that. So first you get the image you want, get the text you want. Then this I'm just aligning it to make it look nice a bit. And also just changing the font at this Nexa. Nexa is my favorite font at the moment. Yes. Okay, make it bold. Okay, just make sure it's aligned in the center. So next I go to my browser, then copy the link. So you just click the URL, make sure you copy everything. Then you create another layer. So in that new layer, you just call it hyperlink. The reason why is that, let's say you're working on a big document with lots of links, it's good to keep all the links on a separate layer. You see why soon. So create a new text box, paste your link there. Then you duplicate it twice, one for the text, one for the image. Then what you do is, do next, you now stretch it to cover the entire box like you ordered to click. So that's what I'm doing here. You just stretch it up and stretch it down to make sure that wherever the mouse, so far the mouse hovers along that side, the link will be active. So do the same for the image link too. Yes, so stretch it up, stretch it down. Okay, so once you are done with that, yes, you select the two of them. So you can see why. You just click there to select everything. Then reduce the opacity to 0. Yes. So now it is there, but it's not visible. So next you go to File, Export for screens. You can also do print, but I prefer using this one. Do PDF, single file, export the artboard. Then once you have exported it, go there. Then open it in any browser of your choice. So I use Chrome first. So what you see, you can see it's working. You click, it opens the link, and that is it. So let's try the text link, and it works too. Nice. So I also try the Brave browser too. So the first I use was Chrome, but as of when I did this, when I open it in, let's say, Adobe PDF or Adobe Acrobat, the link does not work, but it works when you open it in a browser. And also, I think while still creating this video, I saw that they have added an update, Illustrator, where you can do links directly inside your Illustrator itself. So I think I'll put the link in the description as well too, so you can check it out. But it's for newer versions like from 2024 and the latest 2023 Adobe Illustrator file. So that's it, and have a nice day.